Hi there, students. Solidarity. Okay, solidarity is a noun. It's usually uncountable, but I guess it could be countable. Let's see. Solidarity talks about mutual support between a group of people, particularly a political group. He gave a speech to show solidarity with the position of the Prime Minister. Okay, so solidarity. This talks about unity, agreement of feeling. Yeah, you feel for them. So there was a minute's silence in solidarity for the people who had died in the accident. This is solidarity between individuals with a common interest, mutual support within the group. So when the rail union decided to go on strike, the postal workers called a strike in solidarity, okay, to add support to them, to show that they felt that the rail unions were being reasonable and asking for a real thing. Okay, it's a community of interests, similar objectives, similar standards, and showing support. Okay, so if a group of people show solidarity for each other or for another group, yeah, they are giving support. The company sacked, dismissed the worker, but everybody else, all the other workers, thought this was very unfair, and they organised an informal protest on the street to show solidarity for the person that had been sacked. Yeah, they agreed with him. Let's see, solidarity, it's an awareness of the fact that we have similar interests, similar objectives, yeah, and it's collaboration and help, yeah. So by helping somebody, even if you don't know them, you're showing solidarity. It's talking about ties within society, yeah, the things that make us a group. It's the idea of helping each other. Let's see, solidarity is also the name of what was a Polish trade union, which was led by Lech Walesa, and they were campaigning for political change in opposition to the communist regimes, and wow, look what happened. So I think maybe solidarity was part of the end or the breakup of the Soviet Union, okay, as is Russia today. Okay, so solidarity, showing support for people, showing or acting to help people, even if you don't know them. It doesn't matter. Yeah, solidarity, it's joining together. So there were one or two dissenters who showed solidarity with the minority position taken by several members of parliament. Okay, so solidarity is where people join together. Yeah, they help each other, And that's the idea of solidarity. I guess giving money to charity shows solidarity with people less fortunate than ourselves. Okay, solidarity, formality. I'm going to give this a 6.5. Let's see, what would I say informally? Maybe something like unity, yeah, or agreement. Informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or a formal writing. And then as to origin, well, this comes from French solidarité, which means solidarity, yeah, which itself comes from Latin solidum, whole, or from solidus, solid. Okay, so yeah, united we stand, divided we fall, and that's the idea, solidarity. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Solidarity.